Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gallery Photography. Today we are unboxing the new brand GoPro Hero 2024. I cannot wait to see what's inside it. Let's check its new feature. Looks nice. What is mentioned? We have to download this app and the other features they explain show it. What is inside the sauce? So let's don't waste time and open the box. The packing is not that impressive, but this is a basic version. Let's see. Don't waste time and see what is inside the box. Script to get most out of your GoPro. This is not use of me, but someone have not downloaded the app, they can scan it and download it. This is also something. So they mention you must update your camera before you use it, and you need this app. Okay, they have explained something about that's not use of mine. Have product questions, you can read these ones in different language, and that's the logo. So let's see what is inside. This is a type C cable which we use to charge our GoPro or transfer data, and this one is the mount which we use on bikes or head something else, and that's also the attachment for the bike, so for our GoPro. Okay, and what is other thing, and they will give you this one also. Okay, so now this is logo. Let's see for GoPro. And let's unwrap it. Okay, so these are the accessories, and this is the things of our interest. So the GoPro looks nice. The camera is also okay. So first we will check what is inside it. So this one is to open. Okay, so this is for the charging, because the battery is inside it. So I am using the Samsung 128 GB this memory card for my GoPro. Okay, so this is these versions, which is that's good for DSLR, also for the GoPro if you want. Okay, so let me attach it. No, it's the wrong way. This is the correct way. Okay, so now it's done. So let's start the camera. It's blinking. Oh, that's good. Is it? It's really cool. Yeah, this is the mount strap. Yeah, this is a trap where you can put your GoPro. Sorry. Yeah, like that. I bought it for my bike, mountain biking. So let's get some features. Okay, this is a power on, power off button. What is inside? Okay. So when you start, it's video modes, and again, I'm sorry, but this looks good. Yeah, and you have the options. So powering off, powering off. I don't know what happening here. This is the first time. I think I have to update the camera, but I didn't update. So there is something else, something technical. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so let me check the video quality. So one can see the video quality. Yeah. So that's it. I will go outdoor and check it, how the video and the photo quality looks. But I don't know what is the heating effect. I feel little bit heat when I started. I hope it's not like a heater, because there are a lot of comments for the previous models it heats. But right now it's not heating, but I will check it and let you know. Thank you.